Hi, I'm Rob. Are you looking for ways to restore your deleted files? You may be wondering, is it even possible to recover files that have been permanently deleted? The answer is yes, and in this video, we'll show you a few methods of file recovery. Let's start with the basic first step. File recovery, Windows Recycle Bin. Is your file still in the recycle bin? Open the recycle bin by double-clicking on it. Check the contents if the files are there. Right-click Restore to have it go back to its original location. File recovery, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. The EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is software designed to recover your deleted files, even if the recycle bin has been emptied. Find it linked in the video description. Once installed, launch it and select the drive where the files were deleted on. Then click Scan. Once the scanning is complete, the app will show you what files it's managed to find on the drive. You can filter the results or search by file name. You can also preview the recoverable file and restore it. It's recommended to save the restored file to a separate drive to avoid overwriting other recoverable files. File recovery, file history in Windows. If you previously enabled file history in Windows, you can use it to restore your files. Type Restore Files and go into it. Look to the folder where your deleted files are stored. Choose the Restore button to undelete the files to their original location. File recovery, backup and restore in Windows. If you've previously had backup and restore enabled, you might be able to bring back your files that way. Type Control Panel in the search box and select it. Select the backup and restore option. Click the Select Another Backup to Restore File from option and choose your backup. Click Next and follow the instructions. I hope you've managed to restore your lost files. Like and subscribe for more great tips in the future. And bye for now.